Hey everyone! Today, we're discussing why removing and replacing asphalt is essential for safety and maintenance. Let's jump right in. Asphalt can develop cracks and potholes due to wear and tear, temperature changes, and heavy traffic. These issues not only look bad, but can also be dangerous. Safety is a top priority. Addressing these problems helps prevent accidents and injuries, creating a safer environment for everyone. Fresh asphalt boosts curb appeal and property value, making spaces more inviting. Investing in asphalt replacement saves money over time by preventing larger repairs. Plus, old asphalt can often be recycled, reducing waste. In short, removing and replacing asphalt is crucial for safety, aesthetics, and sustainability. If you see damage, consider taking action. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.